This isn't just fitness. It's a revolution. It's the grit in every strike, the power in every move, the rise in every punch. Powered with AI and immersive gaming, GROWL transforms your workouts with a personal boxing and fitness coach. Experience the mental and physical power of a boxing workout. Track and improve your performance with AI-driven, real-time feedback and a trainer that won't let you quit. It's not about where you start. It's about how hard you fight to become something greater, stronger, bolder, unstoppable. GROWL is easy to install and even easier to set up. Our interactive sensors capture every punch, transforming your home into an interactive, high-performance training space. With workouts for every mood, from technical boxing and strength training to yoga and gaming. Share the joy with workouts for you and the whole family, even together. Compete and fight your way through an electrifying gaming experience. Forget you're even working out. This is a fitness experience designed to push limits, break barriers, and unleash your inner power. GROWL. Rise with every punch.